So the EAA Reservoir, the Everglades Agricultural Area Storage Reservoir and project, is to really stop these damaging discharges from coming to the coastal estuaries right here on the Treasure Coast, because it'll take water from the lake, store it and treat it and move it south. It's a critical project, a critical component of the Comprehensive Everglades Restoration Plan. And it's already started. We just have to keep the momentum going, keep the funding going, and have it completed over the next 7 years. It's so important that not just us individually, but collectively, we all get together and make a strong voice for Everglades restoration. It's all important to everyone in these watersheds to do that.